Boral Saxony 900. A superior tile design to optimize installation, reduce costs, and provide maximum protection against the elements. Boral Roofing has proudly served the Florida market for over 60 years, providing quality tile manufacturing and the latest in product innovation. Saxony tile comes in many color configurations that will enhance any Floridian architectural theme you are looking to accomplish. Boral features many colors that are readily available or made to order from one of our 3 Florida stocking locations closest to you. Boral Saxony tile offers superior strength and durability, is Class A fire rated, and features an exclusive non-prorated and fully transferable limited lifetime warranty. Fastening Boral Saxony tile products with ICP roof tile adhesive requires 25% less foam than competing tiles due to the cutting edge and innovative design, allowing for cost savings and a more efficient installation. At this point, the contractors have just applied the foam adhesive patties to Boral tile seal underlayment in preparation to lay the Saxony tiles. As shown here, the contractors are laying the Saxony tiles. The contractor shown here is measuring for the contact size of the foam adhesive to the back of the flat tile. For medium-sized patties, it is recommended by ICP Adhesives and Sealants that 10 to 12 square inches of adhesive makes contact with the underside of the tile. Boral Saxony 900 allows for this adhesive to disperse more evenly across the tile due to its unique design. For more information, visit boralroof.com and follow us on social media for continuous updates on product releases, installations, and more.